Halo, Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Hello, can you hear my voice? Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Yes.
wabarakatuh.
Hello, Miss.
Halo, Mr.
I can
Viko.
hear your voice. Thank you.
Oh, oke. Halo, Mr. Gali. Oke, let me yeah, I add the volume. Can you listen to me now, Mr. Gali? Halo, Miss Anis.
I'm sorry, Miss,
Okay.
because I am out of my home, so I could not open my video, and I will watch about the
Oh,
presentation.
it's okay. Yeah, okay. It's okay. Okay, let me tell the group first, yeah. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
We are starting the session. Yeah, okay, so we only have 30 minutes, yeah. And I know you also have your own agenda. So because it's already time, just let me start. Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, yeah, we have already had Miss Novi, Mr. Gali, and Miss Anis, yeah. Okay, so our objective for this session is to have an overview of the Community of Practice Leader Support Scheme. Okay, and then here I have prepared the slide. Okay, wait, let me show you the screen first. See. Yeah, okay. So, can you see my screen?
Yes, Miss.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Right. Okay, so this is a new program. No, actually it's not a new program, but it's an annual program, but it is recently published, yeah, for this year. Okay, so last year there were 12 community of practice leaders, and I myself, yeah, I'm one of the COP leaders, yeah. And then we hope that all of you who are interested, then you can apply. Hello, Mr. Ramon. How are you? Yeah, so we hope that if you're interested, then you can apply. Then if you are selected, then you could be one of the COP leaders for this year. Okay, let me go to the next slide. Yeah. Okay, so actually for the details, I have already shared the leaflet, the PDF file, and also the link to the website. Yeah. Okay, but if you have any questions, then I will be more than happy to answer it. Yeah. Okay. Let me. Oh, okay. Oh yeah. Okay. This one. Yeah. Okay. So the first questions: who should apply? Yeah. Um. If you are an English teacher or English teacher educators, then you can apply. Yeah. Oh, hello, Miss Untari. Yeah. And then if you have leadership, yeah, then it can help you to be a COP leader as well, yeah, and then ensure that you have access to the community, yeah, and you have the purpose to do a collaborative impact, yes. Okay, so just like in this Elevate community, yeah. So later when you become the COP leader, then you will have your own community, okay, and you will lead your community to make use of the platform of teaching English. Okay, and then the next one, the criteria, yeah. So if some of you have already read the PDF files and also from the links to apply, then there are some criteria that you have to fulfill. Okay, so you must have minimum English language proficiency. Yeah, and then later you can also enclose the proof of certificates. Yeah, and it doesn't have to be IELTS. So IELTS is one of the certificates, but you can also use Versan. Yeah, you can also use TOEFL ITP, or for example, you can also use like PTE. Yeah, it's also possible. Okay, and then of course, like just I have told you before, yeah, you it okay, I'm sorry. Let me share again. Okay, this one, yeah. We are here. Yeah. Oh, right. Okay, this one. Okay, this is the criteria. Okay. So if you are English teacher or English teacher educator, or if you have a time to teach English, yeah, either informal or informal, it's also possible. Yeah. So for example, if you are elementary teacher and then in your classroom you teach English, then it's also enough. Yeah. And then online. Yeah. So all the activities conducted in online. Yeah. So you just need to spend some 4 to 5 hours per week, yeah, for 8 to 10 weeks. Yeah, it means that just like I have done before, yeah, you make the online community and then you make the interaction. Okay, so you can share about the projects, or you can share about the online courses and webinars. Yeah. Okay, and then you have to be able to use the social media, of course, yeah, and do and have internet access. And then you have to be the citizens of Indonesia or Malaysia or Myanmar or Philippines, yeah. So Mr. Ramon, you are eligible. Or Mr. Thailand, or based in Thailand, or Vietnamese. Yeah. Okay. So Indonesians, you are eligible to apply. Yeah. And also other Southeast Asian citizens. Okay. And then Okay, experience, yeah, and it will be very great if you have uh, experience in teacher training or professional development, yeah. But if not, then it's okay. Yeah, if you have experience in teaching, then it will be enough as well. Okay, and then collaborate. Yeah, I know that the teachers like in Indonesia and also in the Philippines, you have like association of teachers, yeah, and you can collaborate with your teacher with your fellow teachers. That will be sufficient. And then of course, familiar with online learning platforms. Yeah, minimum is the teaching English platform, of course. Yeah, and then leadership in education. Yeah, it means that you can lead your peers, yeah, to join the community, to join the webinar or to take online course, yeah, like that. Okay, and then for the COP leaders, 40 hours, it's mean 40 hours is the period for you to grow your community. Yeah. So you do not have to be offline, no, but you just have to raise the online community and you give interactions and you, for example, you give the schedule of webinar and then you facilitate your teachers to join the webinar, yeah, then it will be sufficient. Okay, and then yeah, so for 1 week, yeah, it will be enough to have play. And then for the format, um it is self-learning, yeah, so you do not have to do live sessions every day, no. So a live session will be enough just once per month, yeah. Okay, and then be sure of your community, yeah. Okay, and then right. And for the teaching topics, yeah, it means the online courses that you will promote and also the webinar. All the webinar and teaching courses will include or will cover these following topics. Yeah. Okay, and then what are the benefits that you can get, yeah, from applying as COP leaders? Then you will have the course, yeah, you will be given a course, and then you also will have the certificate, and you will have expert, to guide you. Okay, and then of course expand your network because you will have connection with educators from the Southeast Asian region, and you can join the ASEAN online conferences. Yes, and you become the part of British Council networks. Yeah, and of course, for the access resources, you will be given exclusive access to British Council's teaching English resources, and you can join the ASEAN online conference, uh, professional development opportunities, yeah, whether it is online or offline. And also you can apply for seed funding, 2,000 pounds sterling, yeah, to launch your own online community of practice, yeah. So just like this Elevate, yeah. Okay, and then about the documents that you have to prepare, yeah. So you will see the link, yeah, in Microsoft Forms. Yeah, you have the link in the leaflet and also in the website. Yeah, so you click the link and then you complete the application form. After that, you attach your CV, yes, and then also attach a short video for introducing yourself. Yeah, and also you tell about your experience of working with other educators and about being part of the teaching community, yeah. And then proof of English proficiency and English language teaching qualification. So for the proficiency, as I said, you can use all types of certificates, yeah. So not only IELTS, but you can also use TOEFL, Versan, and other tests. Yeah, and if you have English language teaching qualification, then it will be preferable. Yeah, if you have a certificate, yeah, either from your Department of Education or from the Ministry of Education, or if you have international certificates from CELTA, then it will be okay. Okay, so you just upload your documents, yeah, and then you are also compulsory, yeah, to attach your motivation letter. Okay, so you explain about your experience and the reason why you want to participate. Okay, and then yeah, how to apply? You can use this short link, yeah, and you can find this in the soft file that I have shared with you. Yeah, and then later I will also share with you the PowerPoint. Okay, and the deadline is 10 May, yeah, May 10, 2026. Yeah, so you still have 10 more days. Okay, so please make well use, yeah, of 10 days and submit all required documents to Teaching English Asia at britishcouncil.org, yeah. Okay, so make sure that you submit all required supporting documents, yeah. Okay, and then yeah, for the timeline, so there will be announcement on 25th of May 2026. Okay, so the deadline for the application is 10 May 2026. You still have 10 more days. And then for the announcement, it will be released on 25th of May 2026. And the course will start at June 8th of June 2026. And the course will be completed on 31st of August 2026. Okay, and then yeah. Okay, and then later you should also use the British Council, yeah, of privacy policy as well, yeah. And then yes, okay. Right. And also to make you eligible, yeah, do not forget to fill in your member biodata, yeah, and British Council account registration as well as British Council account screenshot, yeah. Okay, so later in your motivation letter and also in your video, yeah, you can also share about your experience joining this Elevate community. Okay, so later on when some of you are selected to be what is it? Some of you are selected to go to the next steps, yeah, then I can also tell the committee that you are the members of this Elevate, yeah. So I can also give you references as well. Yes, okay. So thank you so much. And yeah, if you have any questions, please ask the questions and I will be very happy to answer.
Miss Sushi, I have a question.
Yes, Miss Linda. Yes.
Yeah, so can you give us this PowerPoint in the group so
Yes.
that we can refer later?
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yes, I will share the PowerPoint.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, Miss Linda. Okay, any other questions? So this PowerPoint is actually also based on the soft file that I have shared with you and also based on the website, yeah. Okay, is there? Okay, thank you for the thumbs up. Okay, any questions? So I think some of the points that you should pay attention more is this one, yeah, the documents. Okay, so ensure that you have completed the application form. Yeah, so later you have to link the Microsoft Forms. And there will be many questions, yeah. So it will be better if you can um find the time, yeah. So I mean not during your teaching, okay, or not during when you are with your family, but it will be better if you spend some time, like maybe an hour, yeah, and it is only you, so you can concentrate because there will be questions and you have to type your answers, yeah. So try to find a place with stable internet connection and also um quiet place, yeah, and make sure that you can do you answer all the questions, yeah. Okay, and then for the CV, yeah, yeah, you can prepare the CV and short video. Okay, and then also prepare your certificates of English proficiency and English language teaching qualification if you have, and the motivation letter. Okay, so first thing that you should do actually is try to complete the online application form first, yeah, so that you will know about the questions and also about more specific about the video and the document that you have to prepare, yeah, that you have to send. Okay, so you complete the online application form, and for the documents you have to send them to the email teaching English Asia at britishcouncil.org. Yeah. Okay, so that is the most important thing actually. Yeah, and this is the key dates. Yeah. Okay, any other questions? And if you are still unsure about being the COP leader, then you do not have to be worried, yeah. So for example, if you are still unsure, then you can link your community with the Elevate community, yeah, and then we can have the activities together, the online activities together. Okay, so if you need any supports, if you have anything to ask, then you can just contact me, yeah. You can contact me via WhatsApp or via Facebook. Okay. Any other questions? For my experience, yeah, by being the COP leader, I have uh, supports from the Teaching English Asia British Council, and then I also join their course, yeah, not only online but also offline. Okay, so for my case, so I joined the workshop in Jakarta, okay, in Indonesia. But for other COP leaders, for example, they are from Myanmar, from the Philippines, from Vietnam and other countries, then they are supported by British Council to come to Jakarta, and all of their facilities, yeah, like the airplane ticket, the hotel accommodation, and everything are covered by British Council. Okay, so you do not have to be worried, for example, like Miss Indah or Miss Anis, Mr. Gali. So if you have the workshop in the Philippines, for example, then British Council will pay for everything for you, and you could come to Philippines, okay? Or the other way around, for example, Miss Grace, Miss Diana, or Mr. Ramon, if you are selected to become the COP leader and there is a workshop, for example, in Vietnam, yeah, then British Council will pay everything for you, and you can go to the country uh where the workshop, yeah, or the course is held, yeah. So you will have experience, yeah, not only joining the online course, but it can also be offline course, just like in my case. Okay, any questions? Okay, otherwise, let me copy the link first, yeah, and I'll share it to our groups. Wait, okay, share. Let's make it public view. Yeah, we still have 5 more minutes. Yeah, if you have questions, you can ask directly or you can write on the chat. Yeah, it's also all right. Can view. Yeah, okay. Okay, just let me send you the link. Yeah. Okay, let me stop share. Yeah, and I will share the link of the PPT to our WhatsApp. Okay. Okay, so you still have 10 days, yeah, to apply. Do not be worried. I'm sure you still have time to prepare the motivation letter, the video, yeah, and the certificates. Okay, and then you can also fill in the application, yeah, and complete all the questions in the application. Yeah, probably it will take you like maybe like 30 minutes, yeah. Yeah, 30 minutes or 60 minutes. And it will be better if you can really focus, yeah, during that time. Okay, yeah, let me share it. Uh, please kindly find the link to the PPT. Okay, so yeah, I truly encourage all of you to apply. Yeah, and if you ever need anything, if you need any supports, or if you have any questions, yeah, then you can just ask me. Let's see. Oh, okay, from Miss Novi. Oh, okay. About the English proficiency, right? Oh, for the format, yes. Okay. For the format for the CV, Later you can have more detail, yeah, from the soft file. Okay, I will share it with you again, the soft file. And also I would encourage all of you, yeah, to try to go to the link first, yeah, Microsoft Forms, and then later there will be explanations also about the documents, including the format, yeah. Okay, so please try to go to the link um, for the forms, for the Microsoft Forms, yeah. Okay, go to that link first. Okay. Oh yeah, for Miss Novi, well, I think you should try to uh yeah, check your English proficiency first. I mean, just try it. I mean, you do not have to be worried. At least if you know about how to fill in the forms, yeah, and you cannot do it this year, you can do it for another year, yeah. So do not be discouraged, yeah. Okay, so I truly hope that this session can motivate all of you to apply, yeah, for COP leader scheme, yeah. And if you are still unsure about the, oh hello Miss Jade, if you are unsure about the community, yeah, it's okay, you can ask me. Okay, so I
Yeah,
will
yeah.
be available.
I'm so sorry. I'm late.
It's okay, no worries. Yeah, I have shared the PPT
Yeah.
in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so yeah, so those are the things that I want to share with you. Yeah, so I hope all of you will try. Yeah, I mean, at least just consider that as one of your new experience. Yeah, and you can also try it not only this year but also next year because it is annual program. Okay, so Miss Dia, Miss Untari, ya, Miss Anis, Miss Jade, Miss Diana, Miss Eva, Miss April, ya, Mr. Gali, Miss Grace, Miss Indah, Miss Linda, Miss Novi, and Mr. Ramon. Okay, so thank you so much for joining this overview. And I truly hope, I wish all the best of luck, yeah, to all of you. Okay. Okay. Hello, Miss Siti. Okay, so thank you and just contact me, yeah. So you can contact me at the WhatsApp Elevate group, yeah, or you can message me directly, yeah. So I'll see you again, yeah. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
So much, Miss Susie.
Yes, thank you, Miss Diana. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, later you can ask in the WhatsApp, yeah. Okay, or in the Facebook.